the school year surprise.
You guys have worked so hard, so we thought we'd give you a nice little treat. Ethan, you're peeking. Cover those eyes. Owen, don't peek. Don't peek. Don't peek. Don't peek, Ethan. You're peeking.
No peeking.
No peeking. Close those eyes. Ready? Set. Open your eyes. Wait, what does it say?
You're going to Disney World. See you real soon. Love me. We're going to Disney?
All together.
When are we going today?
Yeah, right now.
We're just kidding.
No, don't say that.
Harper,
Welcome.
we're going to Disney.
Yes.
She's like, these people are crazy. You just want cupcakes.
Hey, Owen, whose names are on there?
Thank you, Miss Tracy.
Skylar's coming with us to help babysit.
Thank you, Miss Tracy.
You're welcome.
Look who else. Which Skylar? Thank you, Jerry.
Skylar, Cole and Skylar. Skylar, yeah.
Sorry, I know two Skylars.
How excited are you?
Ryan, Jake, Court, and Harper.